I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a law exam. Start by mapping the syllabus and blocking study sessions on your calendar, then set weekly micro goals. Prioritize core subjects and allocate daily time for practice essays, multiple choice, and flashcard review. Mix reading with active testing and teach concepts aloud to yourself. Track weak areas and revisit them with spaced repetition, keeping sessions focused and intentional for steady progress. In this video, I will explain how to study for a law exam. Use timed past exams as your primary training tool and grade them honestly to learn patterns. Build one-page checklists for each subject with key rules and common fact patterns to spot issues faster. Swap essays with a study partner and teach each other rules aloud. Teaching reveals uncertainty. Finish sessions by summarizing mistakes and scheduling targeted review slots. In this video, I will explain how to study for a law exam. Quick recommendation: save stress with leak-proof containers for study day lunches so you spend less time worrying about spills and more time on practice essays. They keep meals fresh and simplify prep between study blocks, making it easier to stay nourished and focused. If this helps, remember to subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study for a law exam. The night before, review one page of core rules and sleep well to consolidate memory. On exam day, arrive early, bring backups like pens and water, and eat a balanced meal to sustain focus. During the exam, allocate time per question, mark difficult issues to return to, and answer every prompt with clear issue, rule, analysis, and conclusion structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.